My red light on?
Yeah.
I got me a paddle.
Alright, folks.
Ducks!
I need to hear it nice and loud. Are you all ready to go?
Yeah!
Good, because we already left. It'll turn back now. Yeah, guys, got a little bit of a challenge us here. We just passed that canoe our last trip. They're looking for a little bit of revenge. Let's not let them have it. Paddles up. One hand on the blade, the other hand on the end. Wrap those fingers around just like that. On the count of 3, reach on forward and pull back that water nice and hard. And do stay together. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Stroke. 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 Stroke.
I don't think we're that fast.
Stroke. 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 Once again, folks,
So
dig on in, nice
splashing me.
and hard. Move that water, folks, move that water. And welcome to the world famous Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes. My name is Adrian. I will be your river guide out here for the next fun-filled 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, now that is based on our current speed. And the fact that some of us have already stopped paddling. Now folks, right on back there, help us out, steer us around. That's my good friend Peter. Go ahead, turn on around. Say howdy, Peter.
Howdy, folks. Please keep paddling.
That's right, folks, you heard. Now we have 3 little rules out here. Rule number 1, never stop paddling. Very important, we have no notice. We have no track. If you no row, we no go. Rule number 2, please don't touch the flush. That water is cold and it is green. And rule number 3, never ever stand up or switch sides. Like I said, folks, that water is cold and I will not be going in after you. Now dig on in, folks, dig on in. I will give you a break at the halfway point. Give you a little hint, folks, this isn't it. Keep paddling. And welcome to the world famous Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes. My name is Adrian. I will be your river guide out here for the next fun-filled 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, now that is based on our current speed. And the fact that some of us have already stopped paddling. Now folks, right on back there, help us out, steer us around. That's my good friend Peter. Go ahead, turn on around. Say howdy, Peter.
Howdy, folks. Please keep paddling.
That's right, folks, you heard. Now we have 3 little rules out here. Rule number 1, never stop paddling. Very important, we have no notice. We have no track. If you no row, we no go.
He's fine.
Moose.
Wow. Folks, when I turn around, at least pretend to paddle. Oh, please remember, I'm here to help you, not haul you around. I can only do so much. Now say hit, let's go.
Yeah.
All right, stop.
Natives!
People can see us now.
Oh, okay. Hey, we're almost halfway.
Well, folks, congratulations. We have indeed made it halfway. Now, that is the good news. Now, guys, I got some little bit of bad news for you.
Now
We
it's
have
uphill.
another have to go.
And it's uphill.
Close. Close. But it is dangerous and it is difficult. See, the next part of our journey is in full public view. That's right. Everybody can see us now, and I gotta warn you, this is Orange County. They'll be judging us too.
Oh, I got me.
Guys, do me a big old favor. Paddles back on. Up. Not nice and hard all the way back around. I promise.
Oh, no.
The longest break yet once we get back to that dog.
Somebody's coming.
Ready and go. Stroke. 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 Stroke.
Whoa, rock. Yeah, that's a real horse. Whoop. Hold it out. You're all on camera, wave! Close enough. Hi!
My favorite ride.
Waiting on the dock? Whoop. Stroke me, stroke. Thinking of Billy Squire. I'm gonna help it. Ram speed! Or nobody. That's the log ride.
Paddles up and inside.
That's the splashdown.
All paddles inside the canoe, both hands on top. Now as we approach the dock, please watch hands, paddles, and fingers. We will have walls on either side of us.
What? Oh, we could have life vests?
Give a special shout out to the first 2 rows right here. Thank you so much for giving me my second shower of the morning. Alright folks, hop on out there out to your left.
Right on out this way, folks.
Exit out there towards the back.
Here, let me have you. This way. Whew. Thanks, Wyatt.